All right, I'm gonna go through all the problems here for perimeters and stuff like this, and get the answers done for you in case you're having trouble with any of these. So let's look at this first one. I'm leaving on there what I had started off with. Since this little brown part here was the same as this over here, same as that, that means we could figure out that this was 23. And we can do something similar here to find the green section. We know that this whole length here is 100, and we know that if we came straight down with it, we'd lose this 61 meters right there. This is 61 meters, this part right there. And therefore, this green part is whatever is left over right here. And so 100 minus 61 should be 39 meters, which means that this is 39 meters right there. And so that tells us what the actual length of that green part is. And so now to find the perimeter, it's just a matter of going through and adding up all the sides, which would be 100 meters plus 53 meters plus 61 meters plus 23 meters, just going around this way. 100, 53, 61, 23, 39 meters, and then 30 meters. And that we would add all up. So 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 0 is 16, carry the 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 6 is 12, then plus 2 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is 20, and then 2 plus 1 is 306 meters for our perimeter there. 306 meters, which I believe, where are the answers for that? What number is that? Number 3, 306 right there. Okay, so we got that one, good. This next one we can go through and do as well. We know that this is 29, this is 44, and if we bring this straight down and bring this other one straight down, this will be 29, this will be 44, and so the leftover part is what is left when we subtract the 29 and 44 from the whole 93. And so we get 93, right? 93 minus 44 minus the 29 here. And so let's see, 93 minus the 44 minus the 29 gives us 20. And so that has a length of 20 millimeters right there. Next, we need to find the length of the two blue sides. And so if we come across this way now, we see that we know that this little part here, this green part, that's 30 millimeters from this number right there. And therefore, the leftover little part is the length of the blue, which is going to be 40 minus 30, which is 10 millimeters. And if that one's 10 millimeters, so is this one, 10 millimeters. And now it's just a matter of going through and adding them all up. Don't forget to double this side over to here, because this side is 40 millimeters as well. It's the same as that one over there. Okay, so now it's just a matter of going through, oops, I shouldn't have deleted that one, 10 millimeters, and adding them all up. So we'll start with 93 millimeters, and then we'll add on 40, and then 44, and then 10, and then 20, and then 10, and then 29, and then 40. And we'll add these all up and see what we get. And 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 9 is 16. That's what we get on the right-hand side there. And then 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 4 is 18, plus 1 is 19, plus 2 is 21. Plus 1 is 22, plus 2 is 24, plus 4 is 28. So 286 millimeters. 286 millimeters should be our answer for that one. It's number 4. If we come check, 286 right there. That's what we got. That's what we wanted. These next ones, I worked those two out for you in the other video. So let's try finding circumference here. This is going to be pi, where we're using 3.14 now, times the diameter, and the diameter is 7 centimeters. And so this is 3.14 times 7, which turns out to be 21.98 centimeters. And then the last one, circumference, is 2 times, because we have the radius here instead of the diameter, so 2 times 3.14 times the radius of 9 centimeters. And so that's 2 times 3.14 times 9, and that gives us a 56.52 centimeters. And if we want to check those with numbers 7 and 8, so we got 21 and 56, 21, 56.52. So we got those good. All right, so that's it for that one. If we go over to this next one, I almost finished this one for you, but I didn't. So we can do the area of each one or the area of them in total. We'll just leave them separate. So what we have is the overall, the 2 half circles of the red making a full circle there. So the perimeter is just pi times the diameter. And so that's pi times 8. So 8 times pi. And then we have to add on the green one with our 2 green semicircles making one full circle. We have to add on pi times 16. And that gives us 75.398. So 79.40 meters right there. So 75.40 meters is what we got there. And so that's number 11, 75.4. So there we go. That should be it. 9 and 10, did I miss those? Oh, yes, I did, right here. Sorry. So I did almost all of these. It was just a matter of actually adding them together, so I'll do it real quick. 30 plus pi times 15 should give us 77.123, so 0.12 meters. And then this last one was just going through, we'd gotten it all the way to this part right here, so we can just type that in. It's going to be 1/2 times pi times 4, right, plus 4 plus 4 again. So that's going to give us 14.28 and in meters. Okay, so that's all the perimeter problems there. You should have all those answers now and have seen them fully answered out, not just partially or not at all so far. So hopefully if you were having trouble with any of them, that clears it up for you, and you can move forward from there. All right, so thanks.